If you're a homeowner in Covington, Louisiana, upgrading your doors is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can undertake. Whether you're replacing an old, worn-out door or choosing a new style to refresh your home's look, door installation can add significant value, functionality, and curb appeal. In Covington's climate, it's especially important to consider energy efficiency, weather resistance, and security. Here's why door installation in Covington is a smart investment for homeowners. Improved energy efficiency. Covington's humid subtropical climate means long, hot summers and mild winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Older doors, especially those that are thin or have inadequate insulation, can let cool air escape in the summer and allow cold air to enter during the winter. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, which results in higher energy bills. Door installation with modern, energy-efficient models can help solve this problem. New doors are built with advanced insulation materials that prevent heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during the hot months and warmer in the cooler months. Many energy-efficient doors come with insulated cores, double-glazed glass, and weather stripping that further enhance their ability to block drafts and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This will reduce your energy consumption and lower utility bills, making door installation a cost-effective investment in the long run. Enhanced home security. Your doors are the first line of defense when it comes to home security. Old, flimsy doors or those with outdated locks can leave your home vulnerable to break-ins. As a homeowner, you want to feel safe and secure in your space, and door installation is a vital step in achieving that peace of mind. Upgrading to a new, high-quality door provides added security through stronger materials and reinforced frames. Many modern doors are made from steel, fiberglass, or solid wood, all of which are durable and difficult to break through. Additionally, high-security locks and multi-point locking systems can be incorporated into your new door to provide extra protection. By installing a new door, you'll be reducing the risk of home invasions, enhancing the safety of your family and belongings. Boosted curb appeal and home value. The front door of your home is a major focal point, and it's one of the first things people see when approaching your property. A dated or damaged door can make your home appear less inviting, which can affect both the curb appeal and overall value of your home. Door installation is a simple way to update your home's exterior and increase its attractiveness. With so many different styles and materials to choose from, you can select a door that complements your home's architecture and enhances its curb appeal. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door with elegant detailing or a sleek fiberglass door with modern hardware, a new door will give your home a fresh, inviting look. If you plan to sell your home in the future, a well-chosen door upgrade can also increase the property's resale value. Homes with updated and attractive front doors often sell faster and for higher prices. Better weather resistance for Covington's climate. Covington's weather can be unpredictable, with frequent rainstorms and high humidity. These environmental conditions can cause significant wear and tear on old doors, leading to problems like swelling, warping, or rust. Over time, Moisture can compromise the structure of your door and allow water to seep into your home, potentially causing damage to the interior and compromising insulation. When you invest in door installation, especially in fiberglass or steel doors, you're choosing a material that can withstand moisture and humidity much better than wood or older models. These doors are resistant to swelling, warping, and rotting, making them ideal for Covington's climate. Additionally, weatherproofing features like seals and reinforced thresholds help keep water, wind, and pests out, protecting your home and ensuring it stays dry and secure. Low maintenance and durability. Old doors often require ongoing maintenance, such as sanding, painting, or repairing. Wooden doors, in particular, may need frequent treatment to prevent rot, mildew, or warping caused by humidity. These maintenance tasks can add up over time, costing both time and money. Door installation with low-maintenance materials such as fiberglass or vinyl-clad wood can save you from these ongoing chores. These materials are highly durable and resistant to the elements, making them easy to clean and care for. New doors made from these materials can withstand the tests of time and weather, providing you with long-lasting performance and fewer repairs. Increased comfort and functionality. A new door not only improves your home's appearance but also enhances its overall comfort. With high-performance doors designed to offer better insulation, your indoor environment will be more comfortable. This means less reliance on air conditioning in the summer and heating in the winter, resulting in a more consistent temperature indoors. Additionally, new doors offer improved functionality. Whether you're upgrading your entry door or installing a patio door, modern doors are designed to operate smoothly and securely. Features like easy gliding sliding doors, convenient French doors, or secure storm doors can enhance the ease of use and accessibility of your home. Conclusion. Door installation in Covington is a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve the comfort, security, and appearance of their homes. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills, increase your home's curb appeal, or ensure better protection from the elements, a new door provides long-lasting benefits. With improved energy efficiency, security, weather resistance, and durability, upgrading your door can add value and comfort to your home for years to come. If you're considering an upgrade, investing in a new door is a simple yet effective way to enhance both the beauty and functionality of your Covington home.